Hey guys, it's your girl here. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while, but this video is not gonna be about MSP. It's gonna be a little different than usual. I usually would do MSP videos, but I'm gonna do something very different. But first, if you guys are a fan of Star versus Evil, and if you guys ship Marco and Star, comment down below. Or if you should Tom and Star, please comment and let me know. Cause this video is gonna be about the video I was watching earlier, and I'm dying to show you guys it and tell me which one do you think is gonna win. So after done with this for a little bit, I'm gonna show you the video and probably another one. It depends how much time I had left of recording. So yeah. I'll do it. Alright. Let me show you guys this video, and then I'm gonna show you guys the chip war. Enjoy the video. If you guys like Star versus Evil, let me know. And some of you guys don't like Star versus Evil, then don't watch the video. But for now, enjoy the video, and I hope you subscribe. Love ya. Look at how they're dancing, how to see each other. It's so cute. Okay, unfortunately, in my opinion, I choose Star and Marco more. They're just so adorable. Yes, their dancing was beautiful, but no, I'm still in top. I'm still in Star and Marco team. I'm gonna stop pausing it so you guys can see it, to see what you guys think. So probably in the end of the video, on this video, I show you guys my opinion. This is like, well, this is like 10 minutes. Okay, guys, if some of you watch Gravity Falls, does these not remind you of it of somewhere on some TV show? Thank you. See that bush? Oh, so cute. For commercials. Okay, let me skip some parts. Okay, now nobody, I'm gonna say it. Okay, so I know what it's not what you guys thought or used to be, but you know, I wanted to do something different. And plus, I love, and plus, I love Star versus Eva, so don't judge me, okay? He helped, but that didn't work. As you can see in the video. Pat pat. Not effort. But who do you guys think won? I am hoping Star and Marco won because why not? Cutest. I think Marco will be the best. Plus Marco and Star did kiss. This is like a dum 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 dum. Okay, that's a dumb video. What did I press that? Okay, you guys. But yeah, they kiss. This is not actually the um video of them, but I will show if I can. Just they kiss. It's so cute though. Oh my god. That you have a crush on me. Go get him, Go get him, Tiger. Okay, this part. Oh my god, he was so adorable. Look at how they look each other in the eyes. Like, oh my god. Oh! Toe chip. This is toe chip. Hip hip. And right here, there's the blood moon. Right there. Right after they got out of there. And Star also, she got the pictures. Anyway, hope you guys loved the video. Sorry it's not MSP, but at least I show you guys something new, right? And